virtual place in my hand.
Hello again, welcome to Osijek, to beautiful country Croatia on European Championship 10 meters in Osijek. My name is Dalibor Kasac and with us is again Uwe Knapp, a member of the Norway shooting team.
Yeah, hello. That's now the last final for today and for the European Championships 2019 here in
Yes,
Osijek.
here we are, the last day of this European Championship in Osijek in Citizen Garden, Gradski Vrt, sport hall in Osijek town. This is the last two last two matches
Yeah.
for medals on this European Championship in team event 10 meters air rifle for women after two very interesting semi-final, but in first semi-final Russia Federation team relatively easily beat a Romanian, and in the second semi-final Italy team beat Austria 14 against 8 points. Now in the match for bronze medal is Romania against Austria. Uwe, what's your opinion in this match?
Yeah, it's clearly open. I think I will have no favorite right now. Both teams are equal and I wish both team the best. That the best will win and will get the bronze medal out of this match.
Romanian team are Laura Gergeta Coman. She was gold in a single competition
Yeah, she won
on
gold
this
for Romania.
Yes, for Romania. This with her is Shidi. She was on sixth place in a single competition in this European Championship, and the third is Elisa Alexandra Molnar. On the other side, for Austria, is Franziska Per. He take a bronze medal in a single air rifle event for women. With her are Marlene Pribitzer and Olivia Hoffmann. In a few minutes, we'll see a start of this match for bronze medal. Franziska Per, as I said, won a bronze medal. This is the first medal till now for Austria on this European Championship 10 meters in Osijek in Croatia. We will see can Franziska and his partners can do one step for another bronze medal.
Yeah, we will see. But a little bit of an advantage will be at Romania because they have two ladies in the final, in the single final, and Austria one. And both won a medal, gold and bronze. So I think it's nearly the same. It's really equal, these two teams. And I hope we will see a fantastic match for the bronze medal.
Okay. What do you think about this? This is the last day of 7 days competitions. How feel shooters right just now, few seconds before this final on a match for bronze? It's many shots behind them and tiring physically, mentally.
No, I think not so much because the whole European Championship was spread in two parts. First were the juniors here, so they had about 4 days, and 4 days now for the adults, for the men and for the women, and I think 4 days. That is
They are
so
prepared
much.
maximum for this.
But when you shoot all the competitions, mentally you will be, I think, that's an outrun. That's now really to the end, and with these competitors, what we see now in the women's event, they have a lot of competitions, a lot of training shots here inside, and every time they start to get prepared in a mental way, it's really hard.
Romania team haven't so much chance against Russia in the semi-final. Austria was a little bit better against strong team of Italy, but these two semi-finals is behind us. Let's see in the future. In few seconds start this match for bronze medal. Surely every 6 shooters on the line do his best.
Absolutely, they will do their best, and after 16 points we will see who will be the winner of the bronze medal.
We see a team of Romania.
Oksana Zidi was a 10.5. That's
10.5.
a really good start.
Koman 10.4 and Molnar 10.1.
So close together.
It's a strong start for Romania.
Yep, the first 2 points goes to
Total
Romania.
41.1. It's mean a lead, start leading for Romanian 2 against 0. We see Austria team. On the right side is a Franziska pair, bronze girl from single shooting here in European Championship in Osijek. Franziska 10.3, Marlene Pribitzer even better, 10.7.
That's a tie.
And Ikro, both teams,
Both take at 1 point.
41.3. 1 point for each team. Both teams are catch a high level in second round of this match for bronze medal.
Yeah, all results over 31.
Yes.
That's a good result. So
Yes. 10.1 for Franziska pair. Oliver Hoffmann 10.2.
but look at Romania.
Marlene Pribitzer 10.3.
32.1.
Oh,
for
excellent,
Romania.
excellent for Romania.
Scoring, yeah.
together in this round. Romanian shooters catch and find on a target 42.1, one of the best rounds of today's shooting. Yes.
I think the best one was 32.2 today, so only 1/10 left.
Yes. Romania lead 5 against 1 point. We expect the answer of Austria shooters.
Francesca Pair will be normally the first.
It's great for Francisca. Congratulations, 10.9.
Yeah, but look what's going on with Romania. 31.5.
One bad shot for Austria team, only 9.5. That means that Romania take 2 another points and now have lead in total 7 points against 1.
Yeah, and this round a 9.53 too low. You can see it. Then you will not win such a race and out of these 3 shots.
Obviously, Francisca Pair is the leader of this team. Austria.
But also, that happened for her. 9.5.
Yes. Romanian, all 3 Romanian over the 10 points. Romania is on a high level all the time.
Really high level.
All shots, all rounds over the 31 points. It means leader 9 against 1. But Austria have still chance to back. We heard fans from audience.
Very good start for Austria.
Yes. 41.2 for Austria. Oh.
Goes to Austria.
That is the right answer from Austria. 2 points for Austria. And now, after Romanian take 3 rounds in a row, Austria break it this round.
Yeah, take now 2 points and now it's 9 for Romania.
We will see if
3 for
Austria shooters can take this level, high level of shooting. We see a Romanian coach. He is very calm and concentrated.
Really concentrated.
Yes, like his pupils online.
Very high. 31.1.
Roxana Shidi takes
it's only
10.9.
1/10.
Yes, 2 more points for Romania, but different was only in that round 0.1 on side of Romania. We see Romanian team, Koman, Shidi and Molnar.
Francesca Pair's first.
10.8. Excellent for Austrian. The best result in this final for Austrian team in this round. 31.5.
And 2 points.
2 points. Okay, 11 against 5.
It's a little bit closer.
Little bit closer.
But still 6 points.
Yes. Less than Romanian.
Yeah.
Okay. Austria shooters must try to keep this good shooting, high level. Let's see what they can do. .5, 9.4 for Privica Marlene, and I think that's for Romanian 2 more points.
Yeah, 30.7 to 30.0.
Yes,
so
that's
2 points goes
13
to Romania.
against 5. It seems we expect first match point for Romania.
Yeah, we need 16.
16?
Oh,
yeah.
So
Okay. Can we see another miracle here in Osijek in European Championship?
But Romania has now really advantage.
One miracle for today. It's made by
Francesca Pair was too late.
Really
Really too late. Hey, look what's going on. What's going
yes,
on with the Romanians. Really good shooting. So, yeah, all close together and 31.9.
41.9 for Romanian. This is the second one best round.
Yeah.
Romania in one round have 32.1, now 41.9 and 15 against 5. This is the first match point for Romanian. Can Austrian girls make turnover? To beat Romanian in the next round. 10.4 for
10.7 for Romania.
Yes.
And Romania won.
Yes, Romania won. Romania are too strong in this moment. And bronze medal go to Romanian. Laura Georgieta Coman, Roxana Shidi, and Molnar. This is a team of Romanian, and finally the 4th place. It's a very good result for Austrian team.
Definitely, that's Francesca Pair and Marlene Pritziger and Olivia Hofmann. I think it's a good team for today, but
okay, today Romania was better.
We have to congratulate Romania. They was the better team in this match today.
Yes. Great level. In the 2 last round, Romania take 41.9. That's excellent.
Yeah, of course.
And in the beginning of this final shooting, Romanian shoot the best result of one round, 42.1. I must repeat, still bronze medal go to Romanian, and Austria air rifle women team are on 4th place. We are now expecting the last final of this Sunday, the last final on final day.
And the last final for the
European Championship
2019 here in Osijek.
That was a medal match for gold against Russia and Italy.
special place in my heart.
Athletes to the line. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the athletes for the gold medal match.
Correct.
Yes. On the left side of the line, we see Russia team, and on the right side of the line, we see Italy. Uwe, can we repeat that Russia is a favorite?
Definitely, for me, in this case, is Russia.
But the Russian girls must prove
Of course,
on the line.
of course. Italy showed us for the men's with a pistol,
Yes.
in which way it can go, and it's also possible that the ladies in rifle did it now,
Yes.
because
Italy team in
That is
pistol
that is a
make two
Yeah,
great
that's-
surprise
that is
and take
that
a
is
gold medal.
That is a complete team, not only rifle or pistol. That is a really end.
Yes.
So
yes.
they are so close together, and all the fans from the Italian team are now
Yes.
here as an audience.
We see Italian team on the right side. The best shooter from Italy till now is Petra Sublasing. She was in a single air rifle. She take 7th place, but she got a silver medal in mix of air rifle on this competition on European Championship in Osijek. With her is Martina Ziviani and Alessandra Luciani. Anastasia Galashina on the Russian side, Daria Vdovina and Yulia Karimova. In a qualifications round, the best result had Russia. It means nothing or little less. Russia have a result in a qualification. Air rifle woman team 400 24.1 and Italy 3.1 less,
Yeah, correct.
exactly 621 points. But
That
we
was
must repeat, we expecting another and new match from the bottom, from the zero.
yeah, that was a qualification. That was another day.
Yes.
Today we have the last day at the Europeans, the last
Yes.
final, and so
We have new rules in
And-
this final.
and
Yes.
the new rules. So and the young ladies will stay now a little bit under pressure. So
Yes.
for
yes.
Russian, it's really important to win the next medal. I think they
Yes.
will go to up to 30 medals
Yes,
in
yes.
total.
Yes, they up to 30 medals. Now Russia Federation won 29 medals, 13 medals gold, 7 silvers and 8 bronzes.
At a minimum of a silver will be the next one.
Yes,
Maybe gold.
yes. This is the coach of Russia national team. Where we can expect great final for the final of this European Championship.
Yeah, I hope we get a marvelous final at the end. Normally the ladies bring the best results,
Yes.
especially in finals. So we expect a perfect final between these two nations, Russian Federation and Italy.
After last 6 days of great shooting, dramatic, tears, laughing,
Yeah,
We
tears in
yes.
both ways.
yes, on both ways, on the winners and on the loser side. We expecting a great shooting final in air rifle for women team event 10 meters. That also expecting people in the audience in this final hall of Gradski Vrt in Osijek town in Croatia.
I heard in 2021 we get the Europeans again
Yes,
in
yes.
Osijek.
A few days ago in Osijek was meeting of committee of European Shooting Confederation, and it's a decision that on 221 Osijek again will be host of one great tournament.
But
Europe-
not in 10 meters, I think.
No.
Okay.
It's it will be a European Championship in Osijek in 25 meters,
Yeah.
50 meters, and 300 meters.
Okay. Then I think you expect a lot of competitors here.
Yes, in this European Championship 10 meters in Osijek, we see in last 7 days almost 600 athletes.
Okay.
But in 2021 year, in Osijek we can expect over the 1,100 athletes from all European countries.
Yeah, then I would like to book the hotel right now.
Okay. We see Italian team with Alessandra Luciani, Martina Ziviani, and Petra Sublazink. We see head of coaches from Croatia.
So it's the last event. Please make lots of noise and encourage your athletes. And let's conclude this European Championships. Best of luck to both teams. Thank you. Position.
it's now really important to get a perfect start into this gold medal match.
For the first competition shot,
Russian shooters try to find concentration, patience. They try to control their breaths and they hold their rifles. And we are expecting the first round to start. .3, it starts for Italy. 10.2 for Russia. Oh, Russia starts really strongly. 41.1. Oh, Italy, it's better. Italy shooters have great support of their colleagues from audience. Yes. Again, we see that Italian spirit emotionally. Italy leads 2-0. Then Italian shooters can continue in this style. Russia Federation, the same result in second round for 41.1. Italy a little bit better and the same result as the first round. That's a copy of the first round, yes? Completely.
Yeah, but you can see it. That's what the audience does.
Yes.
The Italians, they give applause for 10.2 or 10.3. All the others stay still.
2 rounds, the same results, and twice Italy made a different 0.2 from Russia. Italy lead 4-0. We expect a Russian answer. Italy still good. Alessandra Luciani 10.3. Oh, it's great for Russia. 41.6. That's the best result of this final. In this round, Russia. We again see a president of European Shooting Confederation and president of International World Shooting Federation, Vladimir Lisin from Russia Federation. Now Italy lead 4-2. Italian fans are louder and louder.
10.3. Martina Zilianis, he opens. And the 10.2 from the Russian side. Oh, 2 marvelous shots, 31.6 and 31.3. And also this point goes to Russia.
Great shooting is continuing. Russia on the same high level as in the second round. Now in the third round, the same result, 41.6. And that's total result 4-4. Russia team back.
Now to find the right concentration to the right point.
Yes.
Perfect.
10.7 for Luciano Alessandro.
But
The
also
same
on
result
the
from
other
Russia,
side.
yes.
31.4. Now Petra Soblazing.
Yes.
Only a 9.8, and so these points.
Yes, Russia take a lead. Russia shooters take 3 rounds in a row. Till now we see only 1 round for each of teams below less than 41. That was in Italy side, but every other rounds is over the 41 points.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah. Now we see the Russians. I think the first shot will be given by the Italians. 10.2. 10.8 goes to Russia. 10.4
Yulia Karinova,
follows.
great shot.
And the 10.0, so that point can be
It's a chance for Italy.
There's a chance.
We expect the third shot.
That's
Not enough, not enough.
Petra Soblazing.
Yes. Russia stay over the 41 points in every round. That's marvelous.
That's really great shooting.
Yes.
And Russia wins now the last 4 rounds.
Yes.
So that in a marvelous way. Italy has now to stand up.
Italy try to break these wins of Russia. 10.6 for Daria Vdovina.
Oh yeah, Petra Soblazing this time was at 10.7.
Okay.
And this
Fabulous.
point goes to Italy.
Yes, 41.6. Italy must go over the 31 because Russia take
Every time.
every time over the 31.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. That means 2 more points for Italy and actually result in total 8 against 6 in favor of Russia Federation. As we expect 6 fantastic shooters on the line.
Yeah. Oh, that is now a little advantage for Italy. No.
Oh
Oh,
no.
yeah.
We expecting Petra Soblazing.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Luck. A little bit of luck for Italy.
30 points, it's enough because this is the first round of Russia team under the 30 points.
Yeah.
29.7 for Russia and
No, not under 30, under 31.
after 41. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Under 41, yes. And Italy get a chance and now equal result 8 against 8.
So, both teams have to go now
Yes.
for 8
That's
points.
what we are expecting for the final of the final day.
Yes.
Great atmosphere, great
start
shooting.
for Italy.
Yes, Luciani 10.7. Yes. Russia is again on the level of 31.0.
Petra Soblazing. She can do it now.
Yes,
And
she did it. Petra Soblazing, the leader of this Italian team. Excellent shoot. It's enough for new leading of Italy. After 4 against 0, now Italy against in leading position, 10 against 8. Now Italy take 3 rounds in a row.
Of course, three
Yes.
now in a row, and that means the leading position
That's a very
10
interesting
10
final competition.
Yeah.
2 rounds for Italy, then 4 rounds in a row for Russia,
Yeah,
and now 3
3 for-
rounds in a row for Italy. Excellent, excellent. Yes, we heard. Audience are louder and louder.
4 for Italy.
Atmosphere is great in Osijek in Sport Hall Gradski
Both
Vrt.
2 good shots for Russia.
Yes.
So still Petra Toblazing. She can manage it. No,
Yes,
this
no,
time
no,
not.
no. Okay. Petra Zublazing in this round under the 10 points, and that means that Russia equal 10 against 10. Very interesting final, very interesting competition. This is the 2 coaches of Russia, a deep ref. You probably, as a coach in shooting, can tell us about this, that coaches.
Yeah, it's really important what's going on, that you give your own confidence to the shooters,
Yes.
that you can feel it.
In many times, coaches.
Both. Wonderful.
Yes, yes,
What a
wonderful.
shooting.
41.7 for Italy.
31.3 for Russia.
Yeah, Russia, it's not enough. 0.4, it's a different on Italy's side, and Italy take another lead, 12 against 10. Great support from audience
And
for
all-
Italian team.
And all the successful pistol shooters are
Yes,
as
yes.
the audience in the hall, in the final hall here.
That's a great final shooting we expect. Let's see what can Yulia, Daria, and Anastasia from Russia.
Good start for Italy,
Yeah,
10.6.
Yes. The answer on the other Russia side.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's there. It's not possible
41
to just point.
0.4 in this round for Russia. Once more equal.
Yeah, see, it's a 9.3. Then
Yes.
in this final round is really, it's too less.
Yes. Great atmosphere here in Osijek, in Gradski Vrt, on the final day. We see this dramatic team event, 10 meters air rifle for women. 12 against 12.
10.7 for Italy.
Great for Luciani Alessandra, 10.7. Great shoot. 10.6.
Russia follows.
Russia.
31.1.
41.1.
And now Petra Soblazing.
Petra again will be decider.
Equal.
Oh, equal. Yeah, that's great. That's a great competition. 1 point for each team, and now it's a 14 against 14, again equal.
13-13.
Yes. Every shot can decide who is a winner
Yeah,
here.
of course. But Petra Soblazing is every time the last shooter who gives
Yes.
the shot. So
Obviously.
she will be the lady who decides this match.
Yes. She have the most of experience. 9.7 for Italy. That's 10.7 for Dovina Daria, Russia over the 10 points. And now for Russia, all three shooters over the 10 points. That means 41.7. against 30.4. Russia lead 15 against 14, and that is
The final
in front of us is a match point for Russia Federation.
But now we hope that Italy will win.
Yes, that
The
will be
next 2
marvelous.
points,
Yes,
and then we have a 15-15.
another equal and another shootout. It'd be excellent finish of this finally.
But now you can see how
Day.
concentrated these
Yes,
young
yes.
ladies are.
Maximum concentrate. This round it will decide
First round,
10. For this final is a little bit less, but pressure is now on the Russia side.
Oh, 2 good shots.
2 shots over the 10 points.
No, that is done.
Now it's a gold medal for Russia. Yeah, 41.2. Italy shooters try everything,
Yeah, but they came proud of them. So that was a marvelous final.
but
There
marvelous.
was
Yes.
marvelous shooting from both teams, from Russian Federation
Yes.
and also from Italy.
Yes, Russia shooters are the best. At the finally 70 points against 3 points of Italy. But Italy team is also very happy.
Yes, of course. the
Silver
young
medal
silver
is
medal
great,
is silver
great.
medal.
I must once more repeat, this is a great final day of European Championship here in Osijek in Croatia, 10 meters.
Yes, it was really interesting. The last final, emotional, all things in what we need for a final, and so congratulations
yes.
to both teams.
We see this happiness of Russian coaches. They run to hug their girls. And this is be everything from Osijek, from Croatia, European Championship, 10 meters are going to end. It was the last medal match, team event 10 meters air rifle for women. At the last, Russian Federation take gold medal, Italy silver medal, and Romanian who beat Austria in match for bronze medal. Bronze medals go to Romanian. With us is Uwe Knapp from Norway national team. All in all, it was one great championship here in Osijek in last 7 days.
Yeah, it was definitely for the juniors, for the beginning, and now for the adult, for the men and for the women. At the last part, it was some marvelous days here, and I have to say thank you to that I can stay on your side for this day, and I say goodbye.
Okay, that was all. Bye bye from Dalibor Kasic and Uwe Knapp. Few days ago, with us was Margit Melmer, sport director of Austrian national team. Hello and bye bye, Margit. Bye, Uwe, and bye bye to everyone.
special place in my heart.